Everyone, so we have another Valentine's Day entry, and this comes from Pamela, and she's so sweet. She made 4, but I gotta show you guys the little sticker right here. Pretty things inside, and then look at the pretty little tissue paper with the glitter in there. I love this. I need to know where these little stickers came from because I definitely need some. That is so cute. So let's open this on up and see what we have. And thank you so much for making me one. That is so sweet of you. I know all the extra work it takes into making an extra one, and I really appreciate it. Oh my gosh, look at the little bag. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, that's her sequence mix in that little box. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Look at these butterflies. There are red little sequence butterflies. And then there is a little circle right there. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. I've never seen these before. I love butterflies. It reminds me of my godmother. Let's see. We'll start with the sequence mix. So it's like, I don't know, like a little lipstick box. That's what it kind of reminds me of, like a little lipstick box. And it has her sequence mix in here. Look at, I love this. It's a little glass jar from Dollar Tree, and then she just put a really pretty sticker. Really simple and clean and cute, and just stickers over in the back. And here is her sequence mix in here. We have itty bitty little stars, some little red glitter. Oh my gosh, there is tiny little baby hearts in there. I'm not sure if you can see that one right there. There's the stars. Let's see what else is in here. There's some hearts in here. Look, there's one of the little baby hearts right there. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh my goodness, there's so much. And then just like regular sequins in here. And this thing looks packed, you guys. This is like jam packed with sequins in here. Thank you so much. Those are so tiny and cute. Let's see. Where do I start? I don't even know where to start. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me look at the card. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Look at this. Swap mail, special delivery, and then all the little postage stamps on the bottom. This is a beautiful stamp set. I'm not sure where you got it from, but it's gorgeous. Here is her beautiful card inside. I love this. She just took the wood little pieces from Dollar Tree and glued them on there. So cute. And then in the inside, she used this beautiful like Paris paper. Oh my gosh, definitely saving that. It's so beautiful. So she said this was her first group swap, and she was nervous but excited at the same time. Girl, this was my first time hosting, and I feel the same way. I'm nervous and excited every time a new package arrives. So you guys have just been amazing, and I just appreciate you guys so much. And I will definitely be hosting more swaps in the future. So right now, I'm thinking Halloween and Christmas with the same requirements. It might be slightly different because I'm thinking maybe do like a ribbon sample. I don't know if I should do it for Halloween or for Christmas. And then my birthday's in July, and I was thinking maybe just something small for like a little challenge, maybe just like a die cut. I think maybe will be it. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, I'll have more to come. I was thinking maybe just a pure die cut swap as well, because I'm loving seeing what everybody's sending in. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So I untied her little binding already. And look at this love charm right there. That's so pretty. And then look at this little tassel right here. Like little ribbon crimp. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So we have beautiful butterflies and then butterfly charm just hanging off the spine right here. This is so cute. I love this. Look, it's a little accordion folder. Oh my goodness. This is such a good idea to send your swap in. Just a little accordion folder. And then look at these tiny little resin flowers right here. That is so cute. And then look, she put like little labels. Oh my gosh, I love this. That is such a good idea to make a little accordion folder. I'm going to have to remember that and look up a tutorial for this. So we have our ATC card right here. Let me take that out. Oh, I think there's little foamies down here. Look, how cute. So here is the ATC. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Is this, washi? Kind of feels like washi, but it doesn't look like... Yeah, I think it might be the Maggie Holmes washi. I think so. That's really cute, though. So here is our ATC card. Her birthday is June 25th. Her favorite color is purple. She likes watching crafting and baking videos. She's still looking for her own crafty style. And then it has her P.O. box on the bottom. So I say my crafty style changes with my mood, honestly. There's just some days where I just want, like, you know, just to work with beads, and there's other days where I want to work with just like florals, and like those are like the happier days, you know, where like flowers everywhere, pretty, you know. So I don't really have a crafty style myself either, and I think it's okay. I mean, and as we grow in our crafting, I think it changes also, you know. Like when I first started off, I was super into washi tape, and now I don't even use it. So I think it's just ever evolving. Oh my gosh, these bows are so pretty. I love the cut of it. And then look at the background with just the rose little border punch out. That is such a cute idea. I need to bring out my border punches because that is so cute. And I love this like pearl. That's so pretty. I love that bow. Whatever die cut that is, that's really, really pretty. I love how this is labeled. It's so stinking cute. And here is her shaker. Oh my gosh, she did too. Look at this shaker mix in there. So tiny. I love all the little sequins. And it's funny, she says she doesn't have a lot of sequins because she doesn't like the mess of it. I think that's so funny and so cute. But look at how pretty it is. You did a gorgeous mix in there. I love all the little tiny pieces in there. I love Polaroid die cuts. I think they are so cute, and I love this one. It's a good size. And then look at the roses just lined up beautifully, and then that smile right there. Love it. And then look at this one. It's an itty bitty little heart, and then she put pearl around the edge. That's such a good idea. Like, why have I never thought to add something around the edge just to make it a little bit more fancy and pop? That is such a good idea. Then we have some little gold stars in here. This is really cute. I really, really like that. So we got 2 shakers in there, and then here are her die cuts. How come I can't get these out? Hold on one sec. Oh, it's in an envelope. Okay. I was like, what am I doing wrong? I thought I was pulling this apart, but no, it's like in its own folder. I was kind of panicking and thinking I was ripping it or something. But no, this is so cute. She has it in a little file folder, again, with some gorgeous paper right here. Oh my gosh. Look at, we got our own little Polaroid frame that we can go ahead and decorate. So cute. Oh, look, and then you can make your own little rolled flower. That's cute. I'm going to have to put that together. Yes, with the gold. I love gold. Wow, look at how detailed this is. I can imagine trying to die cut this. There is so much little details in here to poke out all the little paper through. This is beautiful. And I don't know what paper used, but it is super, super shiny gold. It's really pretty. Let's see. Have a little heart with an arrow. Oh, we have a little balloon here. That's cute. We have a banner, and then we have another banner. But look, this banner has bows. That is super cute with the little bows. And then I think it's on sticky. Like it already has adhesive in the back. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, that's cool. So it's already like sticky for us. And then here we have some more little balloons and a gorgeous little heart. And then here is the key for our lock. Look, isn't that cute? I love this locking key. That's a really, really pretty die. And then There was another one of those gorgeous little sequins in there. Oh my gosh, this came out so cute for your first swap. You did a great job. I love this little accordion. That was such a good idea to put together to hold everything. I think that's really, really cute. And then, oh my gosh, we had more over here in the back. I almost forgot. And then we have some little stickers. So we have our little butterfly, some mason jars, some little hearts. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, are these window clings? These might be window clings and not stickers. Oh yeah, they're window clings. We could definitely glue these on and still use them as stickers. I've done that before. I really like the little cactus. That's cute. I don't think I've seen these. Or the little llama guy. These are cute. Oh, I love this one. Look at how pretty that is. To put that like on a pocket, that'd be really cute. So you to like add it to like a little card or something. That'd be really, really cute. Have some little hearts. Little jar. Little butterfly. We have our little llama. Look at a beautiful little mason jar. Thank you so much for joining my swap. I'm so happy that I was the first person that you did a group swap with. I really appreciate you. And I appreciate you making one for me. And then look at, have more yummy little sequins in the bag still. Oh my gosh, that glitter sequin stuff is just so pretty with these little hearts and little butterflies. I love those. I'm definitely going to stick a jump ring like through the ring right here, through the wing, and then like hang it on a little like bead dangle. I think that'd be so cute because they're so pretty. All right, guys, so that's it for this swap. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for entering, and we'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.